This is the SG1515WF Outdoor Electrical Outlet Hidden Camera from SpyGadgets.com. Use this outdoor camera to keep an eye on the backyard, front yard, or even the driveway. See who comes and goes and what they take with them. The unit is powered by plugging into a standard outlet, so you'll never need batteries. The included memory card will store all of your videos for later viewing. Motion activation ensures you will only have video when activity is present. Use the SG Home app to view and download saved videos, plus log in for a live view from the camera at any time.